Yay, pre-season.
Yeah, but that's not going inside. You ready for your hat? Ready for your hat? Is it perfect? That's almost perfect. Ready?
That's literally.
So this is what we do when we go to Target.
He's got the zoomies. Oh my god. What the dude.
It was too late.
You look like a Picasso. Yeah. Poor girl.
True. What are you two doing?
She just started to lay on me like this and fell asleep.
Really? Get off the bed. Get off the bed. Who the fuck out?
The noise. I can't.
Probably not the East St. Louis Open. So, here's the thing. You think that it's going to be a good film, and you get there, and it is terrible. This is probably...
is it?
Okay.
With it, group drop. Fucking evil, this thing. Look at its teeth, man.
Tell me what this is. My dog does this. He gets embarrassed sometimes. But is it like, does he have allergies?
Oh, get off my cord. Do you miss Mama? She miss. Oh no!
Huh?
Oh yeah. Oh, you're gonna pretend to be hurt. Oh.
بس العرشات راه كلشي جاري معانا صاحبي الساعه شحال بلا كل شيء المهم كل ما على بال عندك الفرق ديال السنه
No. No.
Como cuando la gente me dice, qué bonito tu bebé, yo quiero uno igual. ¿Te lo presto? Llévatelo una hora. Llévate una hora este mendigo Chucky.
You ought to be videoing that one.
I am. She's in a circus.
狗呢？狗在你面前呢，狗呢？躺你怀里了。你也别弄他一脸油漆，好恶心。
Did you do it?
Me cuesta trabajo entender cómo de verdad hay gente que todavía no entiende la puta vibra, güey.
You see how I'm outside and I'm connecting with nature? Very mindful, very demure.
Put it in the trash. Put it in the trash. Come on. Put it in the trash. Oh!
Okay, if I turn... If I... Oh, God! What is wrong?
Bubby. Come here, Bubby. Ow! I am not demure.
I think you might be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Phil. Phil. Where are you? Ta-da!
No. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Huh?
Stop it.
Oh!
Baba ver bir
And now I've never seen that before. Still laughing?
Sarah, what are you doing?
You wanna go? You wanna go swimming?
Look at you! Roxy! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Sandwich? Sparrow? Sausages?
Fetch. Boy,
Oh, a nasty old dog toy. It smells nasty, looks nasty.
Oil, let him go. Let him ride his scooter, Oil. Oil.
Excuse me. No, Baker, get off.
A situação da cachorro pra pegar o ar-condicionado. Essa cachorrinha é terrível.
Oh my god, okay, wait. Sit still for a second.
Oh, buddy. Oh my goodness. It's okay.
In the house, bad boy. Well, you don't go pee in the house. You don't talk back. Bad boy. You don't pee in the house.
Your snaggle tooth is out. Look at me, Rocky. You know your snake.
Yeah. Look at you, bro. You ugly as the fuck. I said, y'all. Get your list.
I'm using the bathroom. Chopper. Really?
Leo, it's open. Wait, I'll open for you. Okay? Come. Come. I open. Come. Okay, I'll open it again.
No, ¿por qué? Is this
You gonna do it? Are you gonna do it?
Disculpe, Su Majestad, ¿está bien ahí? ¿Está fresco? ¿Está a gusto? ¿Está cómodo? ¿Le hace falta algo o estamos bien?
Just gonna get this, thank you. Do not touch my shit again, excuse me, thank you. Bye-bye. Do.
Callie, stop. Stop.
Yep. Oh.
Jerry. Good girl.
I think I like this little life. I think I like this little life. I think I